Are you struggling with time when you do nails? This is my best product combination when I need a base set done fast. Start by applying Tack on all 10 fingers and cure. Grab a form and make sure that it fits tight around the free edge. For the free edge, I love using natural fiber, which is a gel that contains fiberglass pieces, and the shade makes it look like a natural free edge. Start at the tip and connect it to the nail, and then fade it down onto the nail, but leave the cuticle area. Now take your natural fiber or a more flexible gel if needed, and apply a thin layer over the entire nail and cure. Then grab your soft pink extreme and apply a layer on the nail that you don't cure. After that, you want to take a blob of gel and place it at the apex area. Tilt the nail downwards and lead the gel towards the tip. Cleanse and shape starting with the sides, the free edge, the cuticle area, and the full nail. Finish with your buffer to smooth out the surface. Now you have the perfect base to create anything you want on top. For this nail, I'm going to use Moroccan Mama buttercream from the 2023 summer collection, starting at the tip and then working my way up to the cuticle area. I am making sure that I apply this in 2 super thin coats. After curing, I'm using Super Shiny for the perfect high shine.